Welcome back to my channel. So I am very late, but I want to talk about this June Boxycharm box. So let's see what I've received in my box for the month of June. Although July starts tomorrow. Better late than never. I've actually had this box for about 3 weeks now. I'm sorry for the noise, but I've had this box for about 3 weeks now. I just haven't had time. Well, let me rephrase. I have not made time to sit down and share with you all what I received in my Boxycharm for June 21. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that, make it a quick video. My box was pretty much more of facial items. But anyways, let's go ahead and share it. So I received the Glam Glow Super Cleanse. And it says it's a clearing cream to foam cleanser. Now I like Glam Glow products. They have some awesome products, facial products and stuff. I love their products. And this is an advanced concealer with a powerful blend of 3 charcoals to detoxify skin by removing pore clogging, debris, excess oil, and face makeup. So I love detox and charcoals. So I'm going to be really excited to use this. And this is a big 5 ounce of product. So I'm really looking forward to having this because I love a really clean face. Because as much as I do full glams, like I said, pretty much every day, this is definitely going to, be something I'm looking forward to seeing how it performs. And it retails for $22. Then I have the Maven Beauty Cosmic Drip eyeshadow palette. Now this was my pick for the month. You know how they let you select a product. So this is what I selected because I've never I don't own any Maven products. So I selected this eyeshadow palette because, like I said, I love shimmers. So this really caught my eye. I kind of researched it, watched other videos on it, and I was like, hey, I don't have that brand in my collection, so why not go for it for my item that I selected. And it's the it says that it manifests an worldly drip worth of a cosmic babe. These bite-sized eyeshadow palettes are packed with high-intensity jewel tones and sparkling, smoky metallics. This retails for $23, so I'm definitely looking forward to using these eyeshadows. I won't swatch them because, like I said, I'm getting ready for work, and I'm kind of pressed with time, so I'm going to go ahead and put it to the side and hopefully use it in a future video because I'm really excited about that. Like I said, I picked that item because I don't own any Maven Beauty products, so that's why I selected that one. Then I have the True and Luscious Flower Dose Plumping Eye and Lip Serum. Now I love lip serums and as well as eye serums because I'm over 40 years old, so I like to make sure my face is fully hydrated. My under eyes are not drying out, they're fully hydrated. Oh wow, look at this applicator. Almost look like a needle or something. But again, I love to make sure my face is fully hydrated, especially being, like I said, over the age of 40. I have to make sure my skin is fully hydrated and well primed before applying any makeup on my skin. And it says it's a supercharged treatment serum and primer for lips and eyes designed to be used alone or as a nourishing base for makeup. Interesting. And it says that it's infused with hyaluronic acid and a blend of botanicals including orchid stem cells, rose, and passion fruit extracts that help visibly reduce fine lines and improve elasticity. I'm sorry. And it retails for $34. So I'm looking forward to this for both my eyes and my lips and see how it does. True Luscious has some good brands. I have the eyeshadow base I received in a Boxycharm months ago, and I really like it. The next thing on my list is the Luna Magic Beauty Vava Voom Pink Lash Primer. Speaking of lash primers, I've been using my favorite Voluminous Superstar Red Carpet Black by L'Oreal, which is my favorite. And I love the primer on the other end of the double-ended mascara wand. So I'm glad to receive this primer. It's pink. I like it. Pink. Clearly it said pink on the description. So I'm looking forward to this. I like eyelash primers before I put on my mascara. But it says that with just one swipe of this primer, it glides on to evenly coat and smooth your lashes to maximize the final result of your favorite mascara. It has a natural wax formula with a creamy texture and a new and innovative emulsifier, which adds volume and extra length. It's easy to apply and long lasting. This is a new launch according to my description card, and it retails for $25. So I'll definitely be putting this in my basket like now so I can use it definitely in my next video or my next makeup application so I can see how it performs. Now my last item, I received 2 of the Vita masks, one in Nourish, which is flower nectar, and one in Glow, the juicy berries, which are these 2 facial masks. And it says that experience the world's first ever range of biodegradable masks and packaging, allowing one-time use to be more sustainable and eco-friendly. Nourish is a natural probiotic and adaptogenic sheet mask made with multi-peptides, ceramides, and flower extracts such as cherry blossom, hibiscus, and orange blossom to nourish and repair the skin. And it says the Glow mask is a natural probiotic and adaptogenic sheet mask made with vitamin C, niacinamide, and a super berry complex that includes raspberry, blackberry, goji berry, and mulberry to brighten and improve uneven skin tones. And these 2 masks retails for $18. Now I'm definitely looking forward to Glow because I do have uneven skin tones. I have like, I don't know what they call it, like it kind of gets dark here sometimes. And you will see when I don't have on any makeup, it's kind of like some of my face look like it have like little, I don't know if they call it like little patches that kind of gets darker the older you get. I'm not sure if that's the case, but I'm definitely looking forward to the Glow one for the uneven skin tones. So that is what I received in my Boxycharm for the month of June. Hopefully I'm not this late for the month of July, but we'll see. It depends on how it goes because I am extra busy. I work a full-time job, trying to get back in school. So I've been kind of juggling a whole lot. Spend a lot of time with my grandbaby, so that takes up a lot. She's like the light of my life. She'll be 3 on the 4th of July. So let me quit rambling and ranting on this video. So I hope you guys enjoy my content, what I put out. So if you do, please comment, like, and subscribe to my video. Become a part of my family here on my channel. So I look forward to seeing you guys in my next video. Goodbye.